Hello mga langga, dito na. Dinner time. Magluto tayo ng spicy chicken. Ayan guys. Luto na siya guys. Mix-mix. Mekos-mekos lang natin. Ugay-ugayon. Healthy yan. So, 3 pieces of breast, broccoli, zucchini, carrots. That's it. Taste. Ay, kalami. Pwede na itong patsyon. Sarap. Close the lid. Yun lang. Thank you for always watching. Bye.